I just had to let you know you're.
The vessel is sailing under normal condition. The engine room team is performing routine monitoring. All machinery is running smoothly, and suddenly, an alarm breaks the normal operation.
Chief, the bridge service is active in the room. Stay calm. Check the bilge rail immediately. Confirm the alarm source now. If the bilge level rises, the alarm activates. Chief, bilge level is rising slowly. I smell fuel oil near the purifier area. Work complete PP at once. Stop all hot work immediately. If oil leaks, fire risk increases.
The chief engineer takes control of the situation. Clear communication is maintained to prevent panic and ensure safety.
Chief, I will secure the engine room entrance and straight access. Good. Put warning signs. Keep the escape road clear. If access is controlled, accidents are avoided. Sir, I'm checking the benzene now. Proceed carefully. Avoid stepping on the oily surface. If the floor is oily, slippers happens.
The oiler inspects the bilge and nearby pipelines to identify the cause of the alarm.
Chief, I found a fuel oil leakage in the losing connection near the fire line. Close the fuel supply valve now. Place all absorbent tanks immediately. If fuel spreads, the bilge level increases. The valve is closed. Chief, leakage is isolated. Well done. Double check the insulation. Confirm no further leakage. If the insulation is complete, the risk reduces.
With the leak control, the team focuses on clearing the bilge and restoring safe condition.
Start the bilge pump now. Monitor the bilge level continuously. If the pump operates properly, the bilge clears. Bilge level is decreasing. Chief, alarm is about to clear. Good. Remain on standby. Stay alert at all times. If you stay alert, we respond faster.
Alarm stop. Normal conditions slowly return, but safety check continue.
Bilge alarm is clear, Chief. The area is under control now. Excellent. Clean the bilge thoroughly. Dispose of oily waste properly. If housekeeping is good, future alarm for use. Chief, all parameters are normal now. Good work, team. Record the incident in the logbook. Report to the bridge. If procedures are followed, the vessel stays safe.
The engineering team successfully handled the bilge alarm activation by following standard operation procedures, clear communication, and proper safety practices. The engine room returns to normal operation.